Oh, this Jazzy got hiccups. Miss Jazzy got hiccups. Miss Jaslyn, do you have hiccups? Oop, hiccup. Hiccup. Oop. Hiccups are no fun. Are they? Look at you. Oh, big yawn. She's tired. Pretty little face, huh? You happy the feeding tube is all gone? Now you can see your whole face. Hiccup. Whoop, hiccup. You're sucking on your hand. You want more? More, Baba?
I see that you stick this one. Now this one hurts.